Hello everyone, this is Sahitya Krishnakumar. I'm here along with Roshan Pranav, Sai Dheeraj and Jay Akash, here to present on the topic Agents in Artificial Intelligence. So now let's begin by understanding what an agent in artificial intelligence actually is. So an agent is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors and act upon that environment using actuators in order to reach specific goals. So just like we humans uses our senses like sight and hearing to perceive the world, our hands and legs to act, and an AI agent does the same through its components like sensors and actuators. So the examples are a robotic vacuum cleaner. It is a great example. It senses the dirt on the floor using its sensors and navigates throughout the room to clean it. Next is a chess playing AI. It analyzes the current position on the board and considers possible future moves and selects the best one to win the game. Similarly, a self-driving car, it uses cameras, radars, and other sensors to detect obstacles, traffic signals, and pedestrians. And then it adjusts its speed to change the direction accordingly. All of these agents, all of these are agents because they continuously take in information from the surrounding and act in a way that helps them fulfill a purpose, whether it's cleaning or winning a game or safely reaching a destination. So next, let's see what is an intelligent agent is. Intelligent agents is not only just reactive, but it's also capable of learning, adapting, and making rational decisions. Its main goal is to complete tasks efficiently and intelligently when the environment is changed. So there are four characteristics making an intelligent agent. The first one is autonomy. It means that the agent can operate on its own without any constant human instructions. It understands the user's intent and takes the right action based on that. Reactivity. Reactivity means it responds to the changes in the environment quickly and appropriately. For example, if traffic suddenly appears in front of a self-driving car, it should react immediately. Next is proactiveness. Proactiveness means the intelligent agents can take the initiative, unlike simple systems that only respond. They don't want to wait for something to happen. They should anticipate and act in advance to fulfill the objectives. Next is social ability. Social ability means agents can communicate with other agents or humans. This includes understanding human language and responding in a way that makes sense. For example, is virtual assistants we use in everyday like Siri or Alexa. These agents can listen to our voice, commands, understand what we need, and take appropriate actions.
Hello everyone. I'm here to give you a brief note about rationality and rational agents. So first, what is rationality? Then, simply put, an agent is rational if it consistently chooses the best possible action based on several key factors. So first, there is the performance measure, the main criteria used to evaluate success. Next, the percept sequence, which is the history of all perceptions the agent has gathered over time. Then there is knowledge, prior information about the environment, and finally the possible actions or the available choices. So a rational agent, therefore, is one that maximizes its expected performance by leveraging this knowledge and adapting to its environment. Since we have seen about the rationality and what rational agents are, let's look at some real world examples. So consider a game playing AI like in chess or Go. So these systems evaluate potential moves and select the one that maximizes the chances of winning using algorithms like minimax combined with heuristics to strategize effectively. Then there are the personal assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. These AIs adapt their responses based on user preferences and context, and optimizing the user experience by providing helpful information or completing the tasks more efficiently. So, and another example is the autonomous vehicles. So an system in self-driving cars act as an rational agent by processing sensor data to navigate safely, like stopping at red light and avoiding obstacles. Its main goal is to maximize the safety and efficiency on the road. In essence, rational agents are designed to make optimal decisions in complex environments, much like how we aim to make the best choices in our life. This principle drives innovation in AI, making our technology more reliable and smarter every day.
So now we'll discuss about the performance measures. So what do you mean by performance measure? So a performance measure evaluates how well an agent is performing in its task environment. So as far as agent is considered, so each and every agent is given a particular task to be performed, and this task to be performed is is restricted to a particular environment, and this environment is called as task. Performance measure evaluates how well an agent is performing in its task environment. So now let's look into the key factors in performance measures. So there are four key factors. Firstly, there is efficiency, and then we have speed, accuracy, and adaptability. So when it comes to efficiency, it is how well the agent uses resources. And then when it comes to speed, it is how quickly it completes the task. And then when it comes to accuracy, it is how often it makes correct decisions. And then the adaptability part, so it deals with how well it handles changes in the environment. So, for example, for a self-driving car, the performance measure includes safety, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort. So, when it comes to safety, it is avoiding accidents. Next slide. So now we'll look into the flexibility and intelligent agent. So when it comes to flexibility, so an agent is considered to be flexible when it satisfies three conditions. So the three conditions are: firstly, it reacts to sudden changes in the environment. So when an agent reacts to sudden changes in the environment, it is said to be flexible. And then second condition which the agent must satisfy to in order to become flexible is to learn from experience and improve performance. So just like the chatbots that we have, for example, ChatGPT, if we provide some instance or situation, it just builds on with that instance for the upcoming chats. So this is learning from experience and improving performance. And then the third condition to be satisfied is to make proactive decisions for the future. So when an agent makes proactive decisions for the future, it is said to be flexible. So when an agent satisfies all these three conditions at once, so it is said to be flexible. And for the example part, a customer service chatbot improves responses by learning from past conversations.
Rationality versus performance. Rationality based on decision making abilities, whereas in performance based on actual outcomes. And the second is a rational agent selects the best possible action, where the performance is measured based on how well a task is completed. For example, rationality says A selecting the best move, whereas in performance says A winning or losing. Key point for this are an agent can be rational but still perform poorly if the environment is unpredictable. And the final conclusion, to sum up, agents in artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in shaping how machines interact with the world around them. For robotic vacuum cleaners and self-driving cars to a personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI agents are designed to perceive their environment, make decisions, and act to achieve specific goals. Rational agents are especially important as they aim to maximize their performance based on their knowledge and their situation they are in. However, as we saw, being rational doesn't always guarantee perfect performance, especially in unpredictable environments. Performance measures like accuracy, efficiency, and adaptability help us evaluate how effectively an agent truly is. And lastly, the flexibility is a major strength of intelligent agents. It allows them to respond to changes and continuously improve. In the end, AI agents are not just about executing tasks, but they are about doing so intelligently and adaptively. They are the building blocks of a smarter and more responsive technological futures. And thank you.